Hey guys, welcome back to my series of solving LeetCode problems from scratch. I'm here at problem 101, Symmetric tree. I already tried figuring this out, but I'm a bit tired, so I have to leave, go to the grocery store, buy dinner, and then come back with a fresh mind. And I'm probably gonna solve this very quickly. All of this is trash, including Windows. There's nothing worse than Windows. Okay. So actually, didn't want to delete all of this. So that my mouse is also. So let's just start with this. If you guys haven't read what this is, what this is you have a binary tree and you want to check if it's symmetric. So basically, besides this must be equal to this, and 3, 4 must be equal to 3, 4 this way around. So what we can do, and I think this is pretty simple, and I was just really stressing out with it, and I was really creating something that I shouldn't. And it starts with current list, and this is root. So you just check if and current value list equals x.val for x in cur list. And pretty much what we do is we check if this list is equal to itself backwards. So if this is different to this backwards, then you return false. Okay, pretty cool. This, but we just have root right now. So then we update and current list is equal to, so let's just new current list, which is going to be a list of either none or tree node. So for a list node in current list, new current list dot append. God, need a new mouse. Well, I've never seen a mouse needing retirement so bad as mine. Dot append current list node left, and same thing dot right. And now the only problem is, what if it's none? Well, in this case, it's not really an issue. Well, it is an issue because it will be none sooner or later. So let's just do while while any of cur list. So while is there a single value that is not none here, we append just if cur list node is none, do this. So I'm just gonna append some nuns here. And if we have a full list of nuns, it breaks. And it returns true. I think this will work. On any curl list. Oh yeah, we need to replace curl list with a new curl list. Okay, true. Let me switch this to 70. Oh, false. Let's give this a shot. I have no idea what kind of stupid stuff I was attempting before. Okay, what was the error? So, failed x val for x in curl list. Yeah, of course. If x, else none. I need to put this here. Now I can do this. Yep. Okay, terrible results. Let me just submit again. Terrible result. I've seen that there are better solutions, of course. Let me see if I can improve this. Well, maybe I don't need. Maybe I could do something different here. Don't know what. New current list. Yeah, maybe I could just replace this. Well, but it works. I'm tired, and this is how good it's gonna get. So, hope you guys enjoyed it.